Imagine this. Your products are ready, quality is confirmed, and now it's time to get them from China to your doorstep. But you don't want the stress of tracking shipments, dealing with customs, or managing multiple shipping companies. At Liunova, we've simplified the entire process for you. From the moment production is complete, we handle everything, ensuring your goods are delivered smoothly, on time, and at a clear cost. At Liunova, we understand that shipping and logistics can be one of the most complex and stressful parts of sourcing. That's why we manage every step, so you don't have to. We make sure your products move smoothly from China to your port, with no hidden fees and no surprises along the way. Once your order passes quality control and is ready for shipment, our team takes over. We begin by confirming packaging, labeling, and export details with the factory. This ensures that everything is properly prepared for transport, so your goods are ready to ship without last-minute issues or delays. Next, we arrange shipping under clear and predictable terms like CFR, cost and freight, and FCL, full container load. With CFR, you get a clear freight cost up front, no surprises. This term covers both the product and shipping costs, so you know exactly what you'll pay. With FCL, we reserve an entire container just for your shipment, ensuring the goods are handled efficiently, securely, and with minimal risk. This also helps us pass on cost savings thanks to reduced handling fees. We take care of everything from booking vessel schedules to preparing loading plans. Our team works with trusted forwarders to ensure the conditions are container checked before sealing. This level of care guarantees your shipment stays safe and secure throughout the journey. One of the greatest advantages of working with Liunova is that we handle all export documentation for you. We verify the packing list, invoice, certificate of origin, and customs paperwork, so you won't have to worry about delays at either the Chinese or destination port. Managing this paperwork yourself can be time-consuming and confusing, but we ensure it's all done properly, saving you from any customs holdups or delays during departure or arrival. Throughout the shipping process, you'll stay informed, regular updates, and tracking information. You'll always know exactly where your shipment is and when it's going to arrive, with clear timelines that help you plan ahead. At Liunova, our shipping and logistics approach is built on simplicity, transparency, and reliability. We manage every detail, from final packing to vessel departure, ocean transit, and port arrival, so you can focus on your business, not on logistics. Why choose Liunova? By choosing Liunova, you're opting for peace of mind. Our end-to-end service ensures that you don't waste time or energy coordinating shipping yourself. With Liunova, you can relax, knowing we've got it all covered from China to your port. Whether you're shipping fabrics, machinery, consumer goods, or anything else, our logistics team ensures your order arrives on time, every time, with no hassle and no surprises. Liunova's shipping process clear, predictable costs. CFR and FCL give you transparent pricing with no hidden fees. End-to-end service. We manage everything, from packaging to documentation, making your shipping experience stress-free. Efficient coordination. We handle bookings, loading plans, and container checks for smooth, secure shipments. Regular updates. Tracking info and clear timelines keep you informed every step of the way. Reliability and transparency. Liunova ensures safe, timely delivery every time. With Liunova, you get a trusted partner who handles the logistics, so you can focus on growing your business with confidence.